to the channel. All right, today y'all working on the 2002 Mazda Millennium, and I see some problems here going on with this fan, this wire here, you guys can see it. So we're gonna crank it up, and then we're gonna see what it's doing. All right, guys, we got it running. It's a little loud. We got an exhaust leak, but the fans are not working. Then over here is this wire. When I touch it or move it, it makes the fan go on. Yeah. And I'm holding it. I'm applying pressure to it. I let it go. Got a lot of resistance in this connector here, so I'm gonna repair that, and I'll be back. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna start taking this little cover up right here. Those out, if I can get it out. Put these to the side somewhere.
Easy. What these are really just hot ones, and you just pop them up like that too.
Okay. Thank you, baby. You got these gloves on, it's hard to work with, you know.
Yep.
Okay.
Latex.
Some of it. Okay, and these, we're gonna move this coolant reservoir. It should be size 10 millimeters. How many we got in there? I see 3 so far.
Now you keep hitting the camera. I need 1200.
We got one over here, baby. The pollen is thick out here. This one ain't, that one ain't even tight right here. Let me see. Let's move this out over here. Go back for that. Got a hole in it. So right here, guys, is where we're having the problem at. I don't know who did this, but
When they do it.
I said what to do. Yeah, that. It's no glory. I don't need these on him. I'm just gonna cut the wire and tap it, and, you know, run it into.
But the
those.
thing about it, do you want to do one at a time because you don't want to get
Black is ground, but I got 2 black, so the other one is power. You see?
I'm just giving the people a little education.
Ground, power.
Oh, I need.
And this one black, so you can't go wrong unless you don't know your colors.
ABC 1, 2, 3.
Okay. So if I was to cut this back, it's not gonna be enough wire, so I'm just gonna cut this connector off and tap it into this with some of these connectors right here. Yeah, you got it. Oh, yeah, just pick one out. What she got going on? Okay. I'm glad I said, hey, some of these right here.
The rest of it,
they work. They work, don't they?
That's about it.
What they doing over there? What's she eating? Oh, they about the same place. I'm gonna have to cut it down. So, hold on. I'll cut that black one again. All right, I got them cut. So you just put the thing in here, the wire in here, and you pull it off. Look at this guy. She trying to work on the car too, ain't you? You just pull them off. And watch out, Coco. there.
She's working on the car too.
Yeah, she trying to work too, guys.
Fixing chick TV and the cat.
So you put your, she come right back. Look, connectors on here.
Stay.
And just take the ties, closing it up. Oh, let's see what squeeze it down.
Look, she
She came right back, did she?
Y'all see us moving across the screen.
She is all in the way, guys.
You got 30 of them. And
She's back. Coco, watch out, little girl.
come on, Coco. Tell them folks that you really mean business.
Tell me that she
Tell me you really mean business, Coco. She purring in my hands, dog. Girl, I wish. Don't hit that cat. She ain't do nothing to you. No.
Where she hit her baby?
Cinnamon, and look at us just there. Can't put it on camera. I think we beating her.
Alright, got that one on. Let's see if I get this one on here.
You said you got that one wrong.
I said got it on.
Oh, I'm just making sure, checking. Really? Really?
Get back.
There you
Yeah,
go.
she is all
The
in there.
mechanic work. She's coming. No.
She's trying to come up from every angle.
No, Coco. It's not that time. She understands what she's saying, so she's gonna come up over there.
She on the ground down there now.
Well, then now,
Nah, she just
she'll pop up like we got doing Jack in the Box.
nah, she on the car.
The one thing she better not jumping on my back.
I hold that right here on the back.
You gotta hold it, squeeze it.
I'm not on it yet all the way.
Pop that pimple. There it is. Ooh. She got it, y'all. That come from lifting weights.
Make sure that good.
What the man, crafting? Man, crafting do the job.
Alright, guys, it's done. It should be a connector to this was, with a connector. Sit on that fan.
Yeah.
You just tuck it down under there,
Take
out
it
of the
out
way.
with you.
See, back out of the way.
Yeah.
I snapped it on right here. All right, we're gonna crank it up, guys. See if it's gonna come back on.
And let's see what they do.
Let's see. Leave that right here.
Stopped on a dime. 9 cents change. Stop playing with her. Fix It Chick TV. Y'all better subscribe. I'm just saying.
This one problem take care of. I'm gonna put this back on, and I
gotta
got
do reverse it.
yeah.
But unless y'all want to see her put it back on, it's no problem. She got the time. She got the time.
I'm on the schedule.
She's on the schedule to go. Well, plenty of places she elevated. Well, I thought it was a big goddamn Garfield cat in the tree.
What is it?
No cap, bro. Freak me out. It just looked like a vulture nest. I don't even know. Where do vultures sleep at, though? Do they got bird nests? Or do they just sleep in the belly of the beast? That's a question. Y'all let me know. I'm just playing. That ain't my channel, you mean? Discovery. But I don't know what
You
vultures.
can turn that light off too.
Oh. Y'all seen when the light went off. Turn off the lights.
10mm, y'all. Don't forget it.
And if you forget it, just look at Fix It Shit TV. You'll know it.
That was that wrist action. Y'all seen it?
They ain't seen it, but they seen it.
They seen it. This one real tight on here. Let's do it. Okay.
And she tightened it up hardy. You feel me? This ain't nothing but a little Lexus. I'm just playing with you. Let me stop. I'll be tripping sometimes. Y'all gotta forgive me. You said on Overheating. Oh.
Overheating.
I got that right there. Supposed to be on top of it though, man. But they don't. Oh no. Y'all, my brakes, so y'all know why I'm not on the channel. Slide down, son. Slide it back down. There you go.
Let's go under. Over here. Let's go.
Bro, I do that. Man. It's a struggle sometimes. It make me wonder why I keep. She need new clips anyway, y'all. I think this car was built in the 60s. What? Okay. Oh, yeah.
I didn't think it was built in the 60s. Okay. That one just. You really got to screw them back down.
No.
It didn't have all the tabs in it, y'all.
So don't be in the comment board talking about something, hey, tap me. You feel me?
All right.
Neatly installed.
All right.
You feel me? Stop playing with her.
So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on the video. I mean, to the channel. And that's going to be it for today. Yeah.